Hey guys, this is Home RC. I'm Pete, and this is the Venom Island Hopper. Guys, this is a perfect scale plane. Look at the size of this. 95 centimeters wingspan. It's a basic 4-channel, has ailerons, elevator, rudder, and it has a propeller, accelerator. The propellers on these are shocking. These propellers break after every flight. I'm so shocked that I didn't break one today. It's got landing gear. This is where you put the battery in. Good hatch. It runs on a 9.4 volt NIMI battery. Don't keep these on charge for too long. They'll probably explode. Not only that, it runs on a 390 brush motor. Brush motors are good because unlike brushless, brush take off quicker, but in the long run they don't last as much. But brush take more. Guys, this is a perfect 4-channel trainer. Very easy to fly. You need around 5 meters for takeoff and around 10 meters for landing, because landing is harder. For beginners, a little hint is always when you're taking off in this, take off way into the wind. You know why? Because once you're up in the wind, it's easier to recover. This thing is beautiful. Put the battery in, show you a bit of fun. Guys, this don't think that just because I got a lot of rubber bands here, it's because I crashed or anything. It's just that the rubber bands are what separate the wing from the fuselage. I put the aerial up here for better signal. Also, this is where you trigger the motor. And yeah, that's just to signify that it's on. Take the battery out. This is a 4-channel trainer, guys. This is very good. The bad thing about it though is that it hasn't got an on-off switch. So every time you wanna basically turn it off, you have to take out the battery. The servo openings are here. Therefore, sorry, the servo openings are here and they're hidden, so that's good. The back wheel, I made that doesn't come with one. This is Pete, and talking to you from Home RC. Nice to meet you.